Assalamu alaikum friends. In this video you will learn how to download non-copyright sounds from Google Chrome. So let's begin the video. The process is very simple. Make sure that you are connected with your internet. What you need to do is you will go to your Google Chrome application. So at the top you will simply write ncs.io and you will simply tap on go. So the site will be open. So this is the main site of non-copyright sounds where you can easily download. You will simply tap on open music library. So here are the all sounds which you want to download. You can select any one of them from here. So we will select like this and you will simply tap on play. You can also listen from it. At the downward there is an option of download. You will simply tap on download. Then you will click on download. So the file has been downloading. So this is the simple process of downloading any non-copyright sound from so this is the only process of downloading non-copyright sound from your Google Chrome. If you liked the video, please subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Thank you.